Hi, today I'm gonna melt some beer cans to extract the aluminum, and today I'm gonna use my forge instead of the electric furnaces, just for fun and also because the electric price is now ridiculous. Here I'm using charcoal that I have made myself. I put a few extra fireproof bricks here so I can get the coal a little bit deeper. The coal bed needs to cover the whole calendral. I don't know what you call this bucket that I'm melting in. What it's called in English. Someone just told me it's called a crucible. So here I make room for the crucible and we put some ordinary charcoal around it. This is my largest crucible and it takes about 1.5 liters. I ignited directly on the charcoal with my gas burner, and when the fan in the forge is running, it comes along pretty good immediately. It's hard to get the fire started evenly around the crucible, but it will get there. Now the charcoal is burning all around, so now we just let it to start heating up. Now the crucible is glowing a little bit in the bottom, so we start adding the beer cans that we have just stomped on to get them flat. So now the cans in the bottom is already melting. The cans are melting at about 660 degrees Celsius or 1200 and something degrees Fahrenheit. The cans has a lot of impurities like paint and other things in the cans, which makes a lot of slag. Now the cans start melting properly and they are just sinking fast down in the crucible. Now we have melted a lot of cans and we need to remove some of the slag that is collecting on the top. Now when we have some melted aluminum in the bottom, it's really important to warm the cans so there is no moisture in them. Any water in the melted aluminum can make it shoot everywhere. Still removing some of the slag, and we are waiting for the melted aluminum to get really hot so it becomes easy to pour. Now I got rid of most of the slag and the melted aluminum is really hot. It's glowing red down there. Now it is time to pour the aluminum into a mold. The mold today is an ordinary muffin plate. The muffin plate is also in aluminum, so I hope it don't melt or dissolve or something. The crucible is really hot, so you need to be careful. Also make sure that there is no moist in the mold. Any water that contacts melted aluminum will fly everywhere. There is some flames and fires when I pour the aluminum, but it don't seem to melt. The mold seems to be able to take it. but I will probably never be able to make muffins in it again. Now I just have to wait until it cools down. I remove whatever slag that is left, but there is not a lot. Now we just have to wait for it to cool down and knock them out of the mold. They easily come out of the mold when I turn around and shake it, but they are still very hot. So that was all for today. Please subscribe on my channel and push the like button if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.